What is equally distributed to diploid daughter cells during mitosis? A. Mitochondria. B. Ribosomes. C. Cytoplasm. D. Genetic material, DNA. The correct answer is D. Genetic material, DNA. What shape characterizes bacilli bacteria? A. Spherical. B. Irregular. C. Rod-shaped. D. Spiral. The correct answer is C. Rod-shaped. What category of compounds do hydrocarbons belong to? A. Ionic compounds. B. Inorganic compounds. C. Metallic compounds. D. Organic compounds. The correct answer is D. Organic compounds. In the analogy between a water system and an electric network, what does the water flowing through pipes represent? A. Power. B. Electric current. C. Resistance. D. Voltage. The correct answer is B. Electric current. Which type of mirror is used in astronomical telescopes, despite forming a diminished and inverted image of distant objects? A. Convex mirrors. B. Spherical mirrors. C. Concave mirrors. D. Plane mirrors. The correct answer is C. Concave mirrors. What are the two structural parts of an atom? A. Protons and neutrons. B. Nucleus and empty space with orbits. C. Nucleus and protons. D. Electrons and shells. The correct answer is B. Nucleus and empty space with orbits. What characteristic allows atoms of group 18 elements to be considered to have stable electronic configurations? A. Their high melting point. B. Their valence shell configuration. C. Their large atomic radius. D. Their valency of 1. The correct answer is B. Their valence shell configuration. Which theory suggests that the origin of life involves a supernatural event at a specific past time? A. Abiogenesis. B. Spontaneous generation. C. Biogenesis. D. Divine creation. The correct answer is D. Divine creation. Radiation takes place in what medium? A. Air. B. Solids. C. Vacuum. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Vacuum. What type of virus contains RNA instead of DNA? A. Bacteriophage. B. Retrovirus. C. Herpesvirus. D. Adenovirus. The correct answer is B. Retrovirus. What is the unit kmph read as? A. Kilometer per second. B. Kilometer per minute. C. Kilometer per hour. D. Kilometer per half hour. The correct answer is C. Kilometer per hour. The term heptahydrate indicates how many water molecules are present in a hydrated salt's formula. A. 7. B. 5. C. 10. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 7. What illness is caused by the H1N1 virus? A. Diphtheria. B. Not specified. C. Polio. D. Typhoid. The correct answer is B. Not specified. What characteristic of the Milky Way is described as being constant? A. Its rotation. B. Its temperature. C. Its expansion. D. Its luminosity. The correct answer is A. its rotation. An ideal gas maintains a constant value for the product of which two properties according to Boyle's law? A. Volume and number of moles. B. Pressure and volume. C. Volume and temperature. D. Pressure and temperature. The correct answer is B. Pressure and volume. What is the chemical formula for aluminium oxide? Al3O, Bl2O3, Cl3O2, D. Alo. The correct answer is Bl2O3. What type of connection is discussed when resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected across two common points A and B? A. Series connection. B. Parallel connection. C. Combination connection. D. Direct connection. The correct answer is B. Parallel connection. What should be avoided while preparing food? A. Speaking softly. B. Using kitchen utensils. C. Washing hands. D. Touching the face, nose, or mouth. The correct answer is D. Touching the face, nose, or mouth. What type of drug opposes the pharmacological effects of histamines? A. Protein supplements. B. Antihistamines. C. Muscle relaxants. D. Lymph stimulants. The correct answer is B. Antihistamines. Which statement accurately describes the nature of glass? A. It is inorganic in nature. B. It is organic in nature. C. It is a synthetic fiber. D. It is a mixture of polymers. The correct answer is A. It is inorganic in nature. In a transverse section of a dicot root, what tissue is labeled between the pericycle and xylem? A. Pith. B. Cortex. C. Conjunctive tissue. D. Endodermis. The correct answer is C. Conjunctive tissue. What is the distance between the pole and the focus of a spherical mirror called? A. Principal axis. B. Focal length. C. Radius of curvature. D. Center of curvature. The correct answer is B. Focal length. Which component is used to provide protection to electrical components and serves as a reference point for electric potential measurements? A. Switch. B. Diode. C. Light-emitting diode, LED. D. Ground. The correct answer is D. Ground. How much of the moon's face, visible from Earth, is illuminated during a half moon? A. A quarter. B. None of it. C. All of it. D. Half of it. The correct answer is D. Half of it. When two parallel wires carry current in opposite directions, what would happen? A. They would have no interaction. B. They attract each other. C. They repel each other. D. They would vibrate. The correct answer is C. They repel each other. What is the function of the urinary bladder? A. It filters blood to remove wastes. B. It conducts urine to the exterior. C. It stores urine temporarily. D. It produces urine. The correct answer is C. It stores urine temporarily. Where are endocrine glands found in animals? A. In different regions of the body. B. Only in the reproductive organs. C. Only in the brain. D. Only in the digestive system. The correct answer is A. In different regions of the body. What phenomenon is demonstrated when a pea seedling stem bends and grows towards an opening for light? A. Positive phototropism. B. Negative phototropism. C. Photonasty. D. Negatively geotropic movement. The correct answer is A. Positive phototropism. Why are primary cells usually produced in small sizes? A. Because they can be recharged. B. Because they produce thermal energy. C. Because they rotate turbines. D. Because they are used only once. The correct answer is D. Because they are used only once. Which of the following is equivalent to H3O+ in the expression for Candace Caudle Blue? A. O2. B. H+. C. H2O. D. O. The correct answer is B. H+. How did you score?